In this video, I'm going to show you 3 traps. The third one is the most dangerous, and I personally lost $200 because of it. Stay until the end. I'll give you a simple rule to never fall for them again. New traders think, oh, breakout, let me buy. But ask yourself, where is the strength? Where are the buyers? See this? Green candle is strong. Red candle broke only 25% above it. That's weak. No strength. No follow through. For a real breakout, I need 75%. This one failed. So it's a trap. Do not enter. This is what a strong breakout looks like. Look. First, big green candle shows power. Then price drops back to this line, the 62% golden zone. It touches here. See this circle? It holds. It does not break down. Then next green candle starts. Bearish weak breakout. Look at this big red candle. Strong selling. Now this small green candle tries to come back up. But look where it is. Only in the bottom 25%. It's weak. No strength. This is a fake pump. So what do we do? Do not enter. Big X. Wait for the real move. This is a strong breakout. Big green candle. Full power. Don't chase it. Wait for price to pull back to the 38% blue line. See this circle? It touches and holds. That's the retest. Then this small red candle shows buyers are back. Enter right here. Check mark. This is your safe, valid entry. Weak breakout. Reject of the zone. See, this third green candle. Long wick on top. It tried to break, but failed. Could not hold above. That is rejection. No trade here. Just wait. This is a weak setup. No trade. Big red candle shows sellers in control. Price tries to come back with these 2 green candles. But look at this second green. It tries to break above the red high small wick on top and fails. It cannot close above the line. See this arrow down? That's rejection. No break means no trade. Now this is strong. We take the trade. See this setup. First candle, big red, sellers pushing down. Second candle, small green with long wick, that's indecision. Buyers trying to come back. Then boom. Third candle, huge green. It breaks right through the top of that red candle. Look, clean break. Strong, close above the line. This is a perfect support bounce. See this down move. Red, price drops right into this yellow support zone. But look, the last red candle, wick touches support and rejects. Sellers failed. Then this big green candle, strong engulfing, closing bullish. Green check mark, valid. That's your signal that buyers stepped in. After that, momentum continues up. 3 reds dropping into support. Watch what happens. First red big, second smaller, third taps this yellow support zone and holds. No close below. Then this small green, first sign of buyers. Next green bigger. Then this huge green with long wick on the bottom. That's entry. Buyers defending support aggressively. This is a high probability long. This is a valid support. We take this trade. See, the yellow box. That's support. First, red candle drops. Long wick touches, support instant rejection. Buyers defending. Second, red candle. Same thing tries to go below support. Fails again, small wick down. 2 rejections means strong support. Now watch the flip. Third candle small green. First bullish close right at support. Fourth candle bigger green. Higher high. Momentum shifting. No entry here. Big red X. We skip this trade. Yes, we have 3 reds falling into yellow support and a green bounce. But look closer. This second green candle, see this long lower wick. It breaks below support. That means support is weak. Sellers are breaking it. That's not a valid bounce. That's a trap. A real valid support keeps wicks above the level. Here we have a breakdown. So we write no entry and walk away. Don't force a trade at a broken level. Wait for a cleaner setup. No entry. Resistance here. Red candle taps and fails. Green taps same level and fails again. But see, long lower wicks. No strength. Buyers not in control. Don't enter at resistance with weak candles. Skip this trade. Entry. Red candle taps resistance and stops. Next candle, big green engulfing, breaks above. Strong bullish body closes above the line. That's your breakout confirmation. We enter long on this green, momentum is up. This works best when this happens at support or after a pullback in an uptrend. Don't take this engulfing in the middle of nowhere. No entry here. Blue line is resistance, but look, this small red candle never touches it. It's way below, so there's no rejection at the level. Entry. Red candle taps resistance and stops. Next candle, big green engulfing, breaks above. Strong bullish body closes above the line. That's your breakout confirmation. We enter long on this green, momentum is up. No entry. Both greens at resistance, but long wicks down. Buyers getting rejected. No breakout. No strong close. This is weakness. Don't buy. Skip. Valid breakout. See blue line. Resistance. First candle small. Long wick down. It touches resistance and holds. Sellers failed. Second candle. Massive bullish engulfing. Big body breaks above. Buyers in control. We enter long on close. Stop. So guys, left side means trap, right side means money. Always wait for a tap plus breakout. If you want me to review your chart, comment chart below. And if you still lose money on fake breakouts, you need to watch this video next. I expose the top 3 traps.